Did you know that smartphone sales are projected to hit over 1.5 billion units this year? That's a staggering number. But here's a question for you: is it really worth upgrading from the S24 Ultra to the S25 Ultra? Let's dive in. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about two heavyweights in the smartphone game, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. Both of these devices have taken the market by storm and are fan favorites. So, let's break down what makes each of them special. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, so here's the deal. Many of us face this common dilemma when it comes to upgrading our smartphones. You've got the S24 Ultra, which is already an incredible device, but then the S25 Ultra comes along with some shiny new features. You start asking yourself, should I really shell out more cash for the latest model? It's a classic case of FOMO, fear of missing out. You want the best, but you also want to be smart with your money. Should you stick with the S24 or take the plunge into the S25? Let's figure this out together. Exploration/development. Now, let's get into the juicy stuff, comparing these two models. Starting with the cameras, the S25 Ultra boasts a new 200-megapixel sensor that captures ridiculously sharp images, especially in low light. On the other hand, the S24 Ultra, with its 108-megapixel setup, still takes stunning photos. So if photography is your jam, you might lean toward the S25 for those extra pixels. Moving on to battery life, the S25 Ultra claims to have improved efficiency, boasting a larger capacity that keeps you powered up longer. But hold up, the S24 Ultra isn't slacking either. It still has a robust battery life that can last all day. And what about performance? Both devices are equipped with top-of-the-line processors, but the S25 comes with enhanced graphics performance that could be a game-changer for gamers and heavy users alike. Lastly, let's talk design. The S25 Ultra has a sleeker, more refined look, with a slightly larger display that makes everything pop. But the S24 Ultra's design is still modern and premium. So, it really comes down to personal preference here. Each model has its unique charm. Climax/key moment. Alright, so here's the moment you've all been waiting for, the standout feature of the S25 Ultra that could sway your decision. It's all about the camera capabilities. The S25 Ultra introduces an incredible AI-powered zoom feature that allows you to zoom in without losing clarity. Imagine capturing that perfect sunset from a distance, and it still looks crisp. If you're someone who loves photography or capturing life's moments, this feature alone might make the upgrade worth it. Conclusion/summary. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap. The S25 Ultra offers some impressive upgrades. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you're curious about other smartphone comparisons, check out our next video where we pit other models against each other. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and